Happy Monday, friends. Today is our last day of combinations, but that doesn't mean that we won't see combinations again. We'll continue to see equations and variables and solutions and labels and all the work that we do in 5th grade. This is just a warm-up and figuring out what numbers are we talking about, what categories and options are we talking about, and how do we solve for them. But today's combination problem is a little bit different. It reads, Mrs. Smaker makes 4 sizes of toy trucks in several colors. Altogether, there are 20 different trucks. How many colors are there? And let C stand for the unknown number of colors. So a few things I notice here. First, they're giving me my variable. So there's my variable. That's what I have to use as my V. I also noticed this other very important math word, altogether. Altogether means I've already made my combinations. That's what I have in all. And I know that when I make equations, my total or my altogether comes at the end. So for example, I might have one category. I'm using a combination, so I know I'm multiplying to make groups of options. My second category, but my altogether is actually going to go at the end because it's my total. Usually when we've done combinations, we haven't done the one that we know at the end. So this one makes it different. So because it says altogether there are 20 different trucks, it's telling me my combinations, which I know then goes here. I don't have to find my combinations this time. I have to find my pieces, my categories. One of my categories I know is sizes. So I'm going to put my 4 here, and that is going to represent the size of my truck. It takes me a minute to write with my mouse here. So this is my size. Now I'm missing my color. So I'm actually missing one of my parts. I have my total, which is combinations. I'm going to put combo as my short. And combo stands for my trucks. And I'm putting together sizes and colors to make my combinations of trucks. And this is what I'm missing. And it says to let C stand for my unknown. So this looks like an equation we tried on Friday. Oh, not Friday, on Wednesday. My goodness, it seems like forever ago. So if I have an equation like 4 times C equals 20, I have to think about 4 times what number equals 20? Well, I can skip count. I can go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C equals 5, and my label is going to be colors. And let me see if I can squeeze in my S with my mouse. I can't do it with my finger. There it is. Let's double check. And I have to have all my pieces. I'm going to go with green for go. Here is my equation, but my equation looked a little bit different with my variable actually inside. But I have all my pieces. Then I have my solution, which is my answer, and my label. But this time it's just flipped a little bit round. I have my total now, whereas last time that was what was missing. In this combination problem, I'm missing one of my parts.